morning, everyone. Today we are in the bird hide again. Finally, I found some time to go out and sit here. The planning of today is to spend here around like 10 hours. I hope to see some prey birds and other maybe some species, but I don't have so much on the pictures yet. Anyway, after a few stressful weeks, it's just so nice to sit here in nature again, or like in the bird hide and just watch nature. Um, so the idea of today's video is just to make a relaxing video. So yeah, I have pour myself a cup of coffee. So I suggest put the video on pause and grab yourself a cup of coffee and just enjoy the nature. Um, yeah, if I have something to share, of course I come back to you guys. But yeah, I don't want to talk so much because nature is much more interesting than I am. So yeah, I hope to just have a nice video for you to relax and forget a little bit about stressful things in life. So yeah, I use today the Nikon Z9 with the 600 f4. So yeah, coffee, camera, nature. It's already a beautiful, perfect day for me. So see you later. So we have a buzzard at the hut, guys. So I want to show you guys from the back screen. Yeah, this is really awesome. I'm also catching in flight. Of course, it was a little bit too close, but this one, just really, really awesome. What a beautiful moment. Yeah, I can't wait to check it outside if I'm at home again. So, yeah, very beautiful. Mission succeeded today. The buzzard. Um, I hope it's coming back in the afternoon when it's raining, so I have a little bit of different kind of pictures from the buzzard. But yeah, boah, this is really, really fantastic. Oh, I can I believe that was really fast. Also, he just we sitting like on a perch, within like 10 seconds, he just flew to the prey. Normally, they always just go sit and then watch around, and it takes a little bit of time. But yeah, awesome. I have also some videos from it, so because he stayed a little bit longer, so I will show you guys now. See you later.